5, and 6. Remember, I would like for you not to get, I'm sorry, it sounded like my video turned off for me, and that happened just a minute ago. I would like for you to not get your math books out yet, so let's just talk real quick. So just a quick review of what we have been doing. Monday, we talked about the names of our numbers that we add. So we have, that we add. I don't have that up here. So our numbers we add are the add-ins, the add-in, when the answer to our addition problem is the sum. Then we talked about what the numbers are called that we are subtracting in a subtraction problem. The top number is the minuend. The number we are subtracting is the subtrahend, and then the answer is the difference. We talked about how to check that subtraction problem. Here is our answer, 132 minus 46. The difference is 86. We can check that problem by picking up our subtrahend and adding it to our difference, and that should equal what our minuend is. When we do that, we draw two lines here, 86, that was our difference. We added 46 back to it, and it should equal 132. And today we're talking about what we call the numbers that we multiply together. So in our problem, 27 times 51, when we multiply 27 and 51, 27 is a factor, and 51 is also a factor. They're called factors. The numbers we multiply together are factors. What are they called? Say it. Factors. The numbers we multiply together are called what? Factors. Very good. So when we multiply 27 times 1, well, first, before I say that, the answer to our multiplication problem is called a product. The product is the answer. What do we call the answer to a multiplication problem? The product. So when we multiply 27 times our ones place times 1, we get 27, and that is just part of our product. It's a partial product. It's part of it. And then when we multiply 27 times the digit in our tens place, which is the 5, that answer is another part of our product, or it's a partial product. And when we add those two partial products together, we get our product, okay? So that is the answer to a multiplication problem. I want you to go ahead and get your math books out and open them to pages 5 and 6. You can probably pause the video while you do that. So we are going to, on page 6 in section 3, turn your paper over, page 6, section 3, we're going to write some numbers. So our numbers are going to go out to the thousands place. So we remember we have ones, tens, hundreds, and then the 1,000s place. So when we write a number out into the thousands, we have to use our comma. And the comma tells us that we're going to be using the last name, thousands, okay? So our first number in section 6A that we're going to write is 1,432. Okay? Look at letter B. We're going to write 6,050. Now in the number 6,050, we did not say any hundreds at all. We said 6,050. So we'll put our 6 in the thousands place. We'll put our comma for our last name, 6,000. We said no hundreds, so we will put a 0 in the hundreds place. 6,050. Letter C, we're going to write the number 4,000. In the number 4,000, we definitely hear that there's 4,000, so we put our 4, our comma for our last name, 4,000. We did not say any zeros, 4,000. That's our number. We said no tens, and we said no ones. So that is how we would write the number 4,000. In letter D, we're going to write the number 3,029. 3,029. Did I say any hundreds? No, so we're going to be sure and put a 0 in the hundreds place. 3,029. In letter E, we're going to write the number 4,001. In the number 4,001, did I say any hundreds? No. Did I say any tens? No. So we are just going to write 4,000. There's our last name. 0 hundreds, 0 tens, 4,001. We had a 1 in the ones place. Letter F, write the number 2,975. 2,975. Letter G, write the number 8,753. 8,753. And letter H, write the number 9,800. 9,800. Go ahead and look up at section 2, solve these story problems. Destiny bought 6 packages of cookies that contained 72 cookies each. How many cookies did Destiny buy? With that being said, she bought 6 packages. How many cookies were in each package? 72. And how many packages did she buy? 72 times 6 packages. 72 and 6 are both our factors, and we will multiply those factors together to get our, what do we call the answer to a multiplication problem? To get our product. Very good. And then look at letter B. Mr. Cofield bought 12 gallons of gasoline at $3.17 per gallon. How much did the gasoline cost? So when we're doing this, we're going to say it was $3.17, and he bought 12 gallons. So we're going to multiply $3.17 times 12. Be sure you're going to have a partial product. I call it a PP. Don't laugh. You're going to have 2 partial products. Then you're going to have your product. In your product, be sure that you count over 1, 2 places for a decimal point, because we are talking about the cost of something. So it will need a dollar sign and decimal points. Okay? So you are going to go ahead and complete pages 5 and 6 for your math today. And I will see y'all. If I haven't seen you yet, I will see you on a video call coming up.